I've seen hundreds of Florida divorces get rejected for the same stupid mistake. People download generic forms online, fill them out wrong, or fall for those 99 divorce offers that leave out critical steps. The result? Months of delays, rejected paperwork, and way more stress than necessary. Here's what most people don't realize. You don't have to choose between doing it completely alone or hiring an expensive attorney. There's a third option that can save you time, money, and headaches. Can prepare your forms correctly, ensure compliance with Florida's specific requirements, and guide you through the process step by step. They're not lawyers, so they can't give legal advice, but they specialize in accurate document preparation. Use Florida Supreme Court approved forms at flocourts.gov. File in the right county and include required disclosures. Getting details wrong can mean starting over. Doing it right saves time and stress. Think of it as the smart middle ground between risky DIY and costly attorney fees. Don't let shortcuts turn your divorce into a nightmare. If you're ready to do this right the first time, call Noble Notary and Legal Document Preparers at 321-283-6452. Fast, affordable, and reliable help for your uncontested Florida divorce.